Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This rap song is about algebra. Here are just 4 examples of some simple addition and subtraction of like terms. So for this example, if we have 3y plus 5y, we're allowed to add those two terms together because you have similar terms, y and y. They're called like terms. So 3y plus 5y is 8y. For this example here, you pick the like terms. We have 5m plus 2m, so that gives us 7m. And we have 3k plus 6k, that gives us 9k. And that's the answer. You can't bring those two terms together because the m and the k are unlike. In a similar manner with subtraction, 10m take away 4m is 6m. And here we have 15y take away 5y, that gives you 10y. And 13w take away 4w gives you 9w. So they're just 4 simple examples of how you can add and subtract like terms. On the next 2 slides, I provide the lyrics of a rap song about algebra. The aim of this video is to integrate mathematics, English and music. Enjoy. And here are the next 3 verses. And now we'll move on to the next slide. And the next one. Maths with Jacob has attempted to integrate mathematics, English and music by creating a rap song about algebra. This video gives people the opportunity to create music to the given rap song. After that, the song can be presented at a school assembly or any school performance.